Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and simply find the battery. Let's tap. As you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option battery percentage, so let's simply tap on the switcher next to it, and your device will immediately display the percentage inside the battery icon. And this is the only way to show the battery percentage. I mean, you cannot, for example, show it next to the battery icon. It needs to be inside. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.